Don't worry about timing the market. Nobody can predict the perfect moment. What really matters is time in the market, not timing the market. You don't need to be a stock expert. You don't need to check charts every day. You just need a plan. A calm, focused plan where you invest automatically every single month and let time do the heavy lifting. You can even set up automatic transfers so you don't have to think about it, like a smart savings engine running in the background of your life. And you know what's crazy? Most people give up too early. They invest for a year, see nothing big happen, and quit. But the real magic of compound growth kicks in after 10 or 15 years. That's when your money starts snowballing, and the graph shoots up like a rocket. So the key here is simple. Start now, stay consistent, and trust the process. Whether you're in the US, UK, Australia, New Zealand, or anywhere in Europe, this works. The numbers don't lie. The earlier you start, the easier it gets. Now that you know the game plan to reach 1 million, the next big question is, which ETFs should I actually invest in? Because let's be honest, there are thousands out there, and scrolling through them can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. But don't worry, I've done the hard work for you. Whether you